Halloween is a time for tricks and treats, and in this week's episode, our drink will be a little bit more of a trick than a treat. We'll be making something that I like to call the trick or treat shot. I'm your host, Bella, and this is Cryptic Cocktails. So to get started for this drink, there's a little bit of prep work that will need to be done. We will chop up some candy corn and mix that with some vodka, and we'll have to let that sit overnight. We're just using regular vodka here, but you can use cake vodka or any vodka of your choice. And now we let that sit overnight to obtain the proper flavor and color. We're going to begin by grabbing our shaker and using some candy corn vodka that was prepared last night. We're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of candy corn vodka. Notice that the color is very pigmented and orange from soaking overnight. And 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna grab some ice. And give it a good shake. So this recipe makes enough for 2 shots. We're going to grab our strainer and fill each shot glass up about 2/3 of the way. And then we're going to top it off almost all the way with pineapple juice, leaving a little room for our final garnish. And to complete this drink, a touch of whipped cream. And there you have it, the trick or treat shot. And now, I will be having a very special friend on to try this evening's drink and give us their thoughts and opinions.
Oh, what's up? I was just reading. You ever heard of Twilight?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, finally getting around to it. I mean, you can imagine I'm pretty busy down there.
Mm-hmm.
But, I think I'm Team Edward.
Really?
Yeah, what about you?
I don't know.
It
changes day to day.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know how it ends, so don't spoil anything, all right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do we got? Like, what am I looking at here?
All right, so I have this shot. I'm going to ask you to try it, and tell me if you can guess what's in it first.
All right.
All right. And we're going to chase it with that candy corn.
That's my favorite.
Cheers.
To me. There's a flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like cake?
There's cake, yeah.
All right. Got some cake. Obviously some whipped cream.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Hold on.
Okay.
Did you put candy corn in that?
There is candy corn in it, yes.
I thought I've seen it all.
Mm-hmm.
That is brilliant.
So basically what we did was we put some candy corn and some cake vodka and let that sit overnight.
Oh, that's brilliant.
So the best of both worlds.
Yeah. Hold on a second. What? Sorry to drink and drive, but I got some popes to punish, so I'll check you later.
All right, thanks so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for tuning into this week's episode of Cryptic Cocktails. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy Halloween!